Hey, Ted, give the donut a fighting chance, man, all right?
I didn't get breakfast this morning, so I had to... Oh, man. Oh, I ate that donut too fast and I got the hiccups. Let me get some coffee, man.
Yeah. And you know what?
Why didn't you tell me you used that as an ashtray?
I tried. Oh. Hey, still got the hiccups?
Wait a minute. Oh, man.
Hold on. Okay. I know the thing to do. I know the thing. Just sit back. Hold your breath. How about it? Still got it?
Oh, man.
Oh, sorry, man. You know, scaring people usually works, man. You know, and I guess we have to do that other treatment. Yeah, you...
Stop doing that, okay?
Who wants it in the football pool?
Oh, hey, how much is a square?
What, are you loaded?
No, man, you just got the hiccups.
I'm sorry. Anyways, the pool works like...
No!
You know, sometimes if you go...
Okay, stop doing that, okay? We already tried that.
What's with all the screaming, ladies?
Hey, Joel, he's got the hiccups.
Oh, so you guys were trying to scare?
Okay, look, everybody stop trying to scare me. Okay, it's not working. Okay, you know, he's right. Okay, let's just you know, just sit here and just... Stop that! I told you, it is not working!
Hello, Ted Lemons.
Hey, Ted, it's Bert. Listen, did you get the report on the... Did it work?
No, he still got the...
Okay, stop it, okay? It's enough, and it's really pissing me off. I'm about to have a heart attack.
Yeah, me too. All right, look, okay, look, nobody do it.
Oh, somebody's gonna do it.
No, don't talk, man, because when you talk, it sounds like you're gonna do it, and I don't want you to do it.
Just shut up! Okay, just everybody stop talking, okay? Just shut up! Oh, this is worse. Somebody scare me. I can't take the suspense. Come on, scare me. Come on.
I'm not gonna do it. I was gonna do it, but not now, because you know it's coming.
Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't nearly have the same...
Care for a muffin?
It was a damn donut that gave him the hiccups in the first place.
Well, I was just trying to...
Stop it, you scary bitch!
Can't stop it. I have a disorder. You know, you can all just... You can all go... You can all go to hell!
Okay, that's it. I'm going home. Okay.
Hey, Ted, I hear you got the hiccups.
Don't scare him. We already tried that.
Hey, I'm not gonna scare him. Are they gone?
Yes, they're gone. But you shot me.